In this video, we will learn how to use the percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. So now, the first column, let's call it amount. The second column, let's call it 10%. The third column, 25%. And the fourth column, 50%. Now, and the amount, type 50, 500, 7,000, 800, and then 60. Okay, so the first part is we are going to find 10% of every amount. Okay, so now to find 10% of 50, type equal, then 10%, and then you bring the multiplication sign, which is the asterisk sign or the asterisk symbol. In Microsoft Excel, the asterisk symbol or the asterisk sign is used to multiply. So I type it and I select the amount value, which is 50, and I press enter. Okay, so 10% of 50 is 5. Now to calculate for the remaining, we just put the cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell that has been calculated, then you drag down. Okay, so 10% of 50 is 5, 10% of 500 is 50, and then 10% of 7,000 is 700, and that of 800 is 80, and then lastly 10% of 60 is 6. Now to find 25% of each amount, we type equal 25%, then you select the amount, equal 25%, then you bring your multiplication sign, then you select the amount, you press enter. Okay, so 25% of 50 is 12.5. Now you put the cursor here at the bottom right corner, then you drag down. Okay, and the rest also have been calculated. And lastly, we are going to find 50% of each amount. So equal 50%, then you bring your multiplication sign, which is asterisk, then you select amount, you press enter. So 50% of 50% of 50 is 25. Okay, to calculate the rest, you put the cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell and you drag down. Okay, so 50% of 50% of 50 is 25. 50% of 500 is 250. 50% of 7,000 is 3,500, and then 50% of 800 is 400, and lastly 50% of 60 is 30. So This, this is how to use the percentage formula in Microsoft Excel.